Welcome to Heworth Golf Club. At the heart of the course sits the charming, fully licensed clubhouse, overlooking pristine greens and beautifully maintained fairways. Situated on the eastern outskirts of York, along the historic Malton Road, Heworth Golf Club has formed part of the city's sporting landscape since 1911. Looking at the course from above, we can see the natural contours and layout below that presents golfers with a varied and strategically rewarding parkland challenge. Stretching to over 6,100 yards from the white tees, with a par 69 layout that places emphasis on precision, positioning, and course management. Multiple tee positions provide different playing experiences throughout the course, with the yellow tees measuring just under 6,000 yards and the forward tees offering an enjoyable and accessible round for golfers of all abilities. Among the standout challenges are the longer par 4s, requiring both accuracy from the tee and confidence on approach, while the shorter holes reward precision and thoughtful shot placement. The course features a balanced mix of par 3s, challenging par 4s, and demanding finishing holes, with several fairways framed by mature woodland and natural parkland scenery. Protected greens, carefully positioned bunkers, and subtle elevation changes throughout the course ensure every round remains both engaging and memorable. Each hole presents its own unique challenge, with rolling parkland terrain guiding golfers through the course. Blending traditional Yorkshire golf with a welcoming atmosphere and beautifully maintained surroundings, Heworth Golf Club continues to offer a rewarding experience for members and visitors alike.